Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So let me show you how to do it by using the Chrome browser. Let's choose Chrome. Let me tap accept and continue and no thanks. Now let's use this more key. Select settings, scroll down and choose privacy. Here you need to scroll down again and choose clear browsing data. So here you can clear browsing data, cookies and sites, and cached image and files. You can do it by using the last hour or by using other period of time, but you can also choose advanced, and here you can also clear saved password, auto film from data, site settings and media license. Let me clear all of them and let me use the time range, for example from last 24 hours. Let's choose clear data. So here you've got the confirmation, tap clear to accomplish that operation, and that's it. You just accomplished clearing the history on your browser. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.